What if I told you that the magical Tooth Fairy scene was made entirely with AI? No camera, no actors, no editing software. Today I'm using Higgsfield, one of the fastest growing AI video platform, to turn a simple childhood idea into a cinematic short film. This video is sponsored by Higgsfield. Higgsfield is an all-in-one AI video generation platform that gives creators real control over visuals, motion, and even audio. Inside one platform, you get access to powerful models like Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 Audio, Wine 2.5, and the brand new Cinema Studio, an end-to-end filmmaking pipeline. If you can describe a scene, it can literally make a film-like shot. My concept is simple and magical. A child loses their first tooth, falls asleep, and the tooth fairy quietly appears, glowing wings, soft light, gentle motion, collecting the tooth and leaving a golden coin behind. Let's build this scene step by step using Higgsfield. I am using Nano Banana Pro, which is incredible for high quality images. It supports 1K, 2K, even 4K, and the biggest advantage is clarity, faces, text, details. Everything looks clean and production ready. The first frame sets the emotional tone of the entire film. Now I switch to Cinema Studio, which is honestly the most exciting part. Instead of jumping between tools, I go from images to videos in one single flow. I select the drone shot camera and the other settings as you can see on the screen. And suddenly the tooth fairy isn't just an image, she's alive. To make this scene complete, I use Kling 2.6 audio. This model generates visuals, voice, and ambience together. No external editing, no plugins.
Close your eyes, little one. The stars are watching over you. Dream sweet dreams in this magical night.
If you want something more bold, 2.5 is perfect. It's unrestricted, culture native, and supports audio plus motion in one pass. I use it to test a more playful tooth fairy style, slightly animated, brighter colors, perfect for kids content or short form videos. And this is the final result, a cinematic tooth fairy scene created entirely inside Higgsfield. You could use this for kids' YouTube stories, bedtime animation, educational content, short films, even brand storytelling. If you are looking for a free AI video generator or one of the cheapest AI platform that actually feels like a film studio, Higgsfield is absolutely worth trying. I have added all the links in the description.
Daddy, let's get out of here. Mom, my flowers are dying.
I told you not to smother them like that. What's this strange building?
Don't be scared, darling.
Wow, that looks great.
You shouldn't be here.
Get out now before it gets dark. I'll distract them.
Maybe I'll give you the most difficult, nastiest job I've got. And work you until your very last breath.
Don't be afraid. I'm gonna help you.
Wake up! Wake up!
Now come with me.
Mom, Dad, I'm gonna help you!
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.